there? Solve the following pairs of linear equation by substitution method. Three methods are there. One is graphical method, one is substitution method, one is elimination method. This is which method is there? Means substitution method. We will do which method? Substitution method. See here two equations are there. X plus y is equal to 14. This is the first equation. X minus y is equal to 4. It is the second equation. Substitution method. Substitution method means first equation we will substitute in second equation. Otherwise second equation you substitute in first equation. Anyone you have to do it. I am doing first equation. I am substituting second equation. See here from equation 1 we get. First I am taking first equation. What is the first equation is there? Means x plus y equal to 14. What I am doing? I am x is equal to y. I am sending that side. X is equal to 14 plus y after is equal to minus 1. This one you write third equation. Now what to do means x is equal to 14 minus y. You have to substitute in second equation. That is only substitution method. Now you write here x is equal to 14 minus y. Substituting in which equation? In equation 2. Substituting in equation 2. Second equation you take here x minus y equal to 4. Second equation I am taking x minus y is equal to 4. See here this x value how much is there? 14 minus y. This x place I am substituting x is equal to what I am substituting? 14 minus y. Second equation I am taking and x value I am substituting here. X value is equal to 14 minus y. This x place I am substituting 14 minus y. Minus y write as it is equal to 4. Now you observe here minus y minus y. 14 minus y minus y minus 2y is equal to 4. Number you send that side. Minus 2y equal to 4 plus 14 after is equal to minus 14. Minus 2y equal to small number to big number minus means you will get answer in minus. 14 minus 4 it is a 10. Now see here minus minus cancel. So 2y is equal to what is the answer? 10. Y is equal to 10 by 2. 2 1 ja 2. What is the y value? Y is equal to 5. You got y value, you got 5. But we want x value also. How to do? Y is equal to 5. See here, I am substituting which equation? Third equation. Direct you will get x answer. Y is equal to 5. Substituting which equation? Substituting in equation 3. See here, 3 equation what is there? X is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 minus 1. Now see here, x is equal to 14. Y value what is there? What is the y value? 5. 14 minus 5. X is equal to 9. So y value is the 5. X value is the 9. So now you write here x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Now second question. What is the first equation is there? S minus t is equal to 3. Second equation s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Right here this is the first equation. This is the second equation. From equation 1 we will get. What is there? First I am taking equation 1. S minus t is equal to 3. So this minus t I am sending that side. S equal to 3 minus t after is equal to it is a plus t. So this one you write third equation. So see here third equation. First equation I am taking s minus t is equal to 3. S equal to first write 3. This one you send that side plus t. So s is equal to 3 plus t. This is the third equation. Now write here s is equal to 3 plus t. I am substituting which equation? Second equation. So now I am taking second equation. What is the second equation? See, s by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. So s where is there? That place you apply 3 plus t. This s place you apply 3 plus t. So now I am applying, see, s plus here s is there. S plus you apply 3 plus t divided by 3. This s plus I am substituting this 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 equal to 6. Now 3 to LCM. What is the 3 to LCM? It is a 6. So now I am taking LCM is the 6. 3 2 is 6. So into 2. Next 2 3 is 6 into 3. So this 2 apply this also, this also. 2 3 is 6 plus 2 into t, 2t plus 3 into t, 3t is equal to 6. Okay. Now see here, this is the divide. Send after is equal to, it is becoming into. See here, 6 plus, see here, 3t, 2t. It is 5t equal to 6 into 6. See here, 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. This 6 you send that side. 5t equal to 36 minus 6. So 5t is equal to 36 minus 6, 30. T equal to what? 30 by, here into is there, after is equal to, it is a divide. 30 by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30. T is equal to 6. Now you got the t value. This t is equal to 6, you substituting in which equation? This equation, third equation. So right here mention t is equal to 6. Any equation you substitute. First also substitute, second also substitute, third also substitute, you will get the answer. But direct here you will get the answer. So t is equal to 6. Substituting which equation? Substituting in equation 3. Equation 3, what is there right here? S is equal to 3 plus t. So S is equal to 3 plus t value how much came? 6. So S is equal to 9. So now you got S value also, t value also. So right here now S is equal to 9 and t is equal to 6.